Hello, this is Brent McCall with Ethereal Pro at ISE 2024, and I'm here showing off the Adept audio speaker line. The Adept audio speaker line comes with a variety of products that are really simple and easy to use. For example, with Adept audio, you have a single back wall. The single plate goes in the wall, it's an easy install, and it holds their 6.5-inch and their 8-inch speakers in the same frame. All it takes to do the installation is cut your hole, slide the grill in, pull back on these little red tabs to snug it up to the ceiling, take your speaker, stick it in the hole, which apparently is, turn it, lock it, and put your grill on it. That's your installation. Of course, I would hook up the wires before I did all that. The Adept audio speaker is available from Ethereal Pro at etherealpro.com.